What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. We are back with some new Mini GT models. Not too long ago, I made a video where I was telling that I might not be buying any more Mini GT models, but the main problem was I didn't want to pre-order models anymore. And in this case, a German online store had several models that I wanted to have in stock. And yeah, here we go. By the way, I know that this one isn't a Mini GT. We'll get to that in a second. So let's take a look at our first model, which is this one here, the BMW Z8, or in German, BMW Z8. This is the Mini GT number 998. And here is our model, which is really fantastic. Great details. I mean, let's get started with the interior. I love the colors. And now take a look at all the details. I hope you can see it on camera. We have the BMW badge behind the seats. We have it in the center of the steering wheels. If you take a close look at the inside of the doors, there are also details on the handles or on the gear shift, for example. Then our model comes with lensed headlights, lensed taillights. Take a look at these fantastic rims, of course, also with the BMW badge in the center. Yeah, this one is really fantastic. If you want to complain about something, I mean, there could be some reflective paint inside the mirrors, but that's all. And now take a look into the background. This one rolls perfectly. I'm not 100% sure what I paid for this one. I think somewhere between 13 and 15 euros. And this is a really fantastic model. I think one of the best Mini GTs that I own, especially because of this fantastic interior. But the rest is also really nice. So into the parking lot it goes. And let's go on with this one here. Porsche 911 Dakar in ice gray metallic rally 1978. This is number 964. And here we go. As you can see, like classic 911, but more kind of an off-road style. Take a look at the wheels. As you can see, they come with this tread on them. The livery, I would say, it's a little bit Martini style like. Also a pretty nice model. Comes with kind of a license plate, which is saying 911. Lens headlights, of course. Yeah, pretty nice. And of course, this one is also roller, not as perfect as our BMW, but also pretty nice. Let's go on with this one here, the Nissan LBER 34 Super Silhouette in black. Yeah, this one is just cool. I have to say I'm not really into Japanese cars, but these things, I think they just look fantastic. I love these Liberty Walk style Nissans, and this one is pretty cool. By the way, if you're a Hot Wheels collector, I think 3 years ago or something, their black Nissan was a chase model, and I was really lucky. I have 2 of them, so pretty cool. But of course, our Mini GT version is way more detailed. So this one comes with these really cool black 5-spoke wheels, and once again, a lot of details. Windshield banner also on the rear windshield. We get details on the wing, all the way on the side, on the back, lensed taillights, lensed headlights, and look how this thing sits so low. And guess what? Rolls perfectly. I mean, this is really cool. And Talking of details, we have also prints on the wheels. So this is really, really, really cool. Nice, really nice addition. This one was number 844. I didn't show that, I think. And yeah, same casting with another deco. Athlete Colette, whatever. I don't know what that is. It's number 1059. Yeah, same thing with this. Of course, it's white, not black, but once again, a lot of details also on the roof in this case. And we get the yellow roll cage, red seats. I think the wheels are the same, but if you take a look, I think this one has additional red prints. So yeah, just fantastic. What can I say? Let's check if this thing rolls. And of course, really smooth, really nice, really cool. Yeah, I also really like the next one, which is the Mazda AC1 Liberty Walk LB40. I mean, yeah, it's number 953. I would say this is kind of a K car, K sports car normally, but with this, yeah, Liberty Walk edition, this thing looks really cool, kind of funny because it's so small. Comes with these 6-spoke wheels, but once again, look at all the details: lensed headlights, prints on the tires, on the wing, the red interior. I think it also has lensed taillights, windshield banner. I mean, it's so small, but it looks so cool. Yeah, rolls perfectly. There we go. Now, let's take a look at this one here. So we have a race car from Le Mans, Porsche 962C. And yeah, if you take a look at the packaging, so this is a Sparky model. I think a while ago they had some different packaging. I'm not 100% sure, but whatever. I wanted to have this one, and maybe you think there's something missing. Yes, the deco. And I ordered this because of the camel deco, which is, of course, a cigarette company, and cigarette smoking is not good. And I think it's, I'm not really sure. I think it's forbidden to put it on these models. I don't know. Or maybe you are just not allowed to see it on the packaging. So the problem was when I ordered this model, it had the deco on the picture. So yeah, I was yeah, pretty annoyed when it came like this. But then I took it out of the packaging, and yeah, guess what? It had the deco on it. I was worried, to be honest, that it comes with decals and you have to put it on yourself, and that's nothing I want to do, to be honest. So yeah, there you have it. I'm not really sure about the rules, what you're allowed to do and what not. Sometimes you get these decals from cigarette companies, sometimes not. I'm not really sure when or what the reason for that is. I don't know. I just don't know. But yeah, this one looks really cool, and it also has a metal base. I was quite surprised. I think a few years ago they did plastic bases. I'm not really sure. But yeah, look at the wheels, look really great. We got mismatched wheels, and yeah, it looks really nice. By the way, it also rolls. Not as perfect as our Mini GT models, but yeah, pretty nice. So let's take a quick look at the models in the blister. I won't take them out. It's another James Bond model. Why you wondered why this is the Japanese version? Well, I think they do look really cool, and the next thing is They are cheaper than other versions. I don't know why, but I think they look really, really good. Love the Japanese lettering on these. Yeah, the BMW is also pretty cool. All the details from the James Bond car, the rockets in the sunroof. And I think it's hard to see on camera. The logo is sticking out. I think it's in the movie it has something like a saw in it. I'm not really 100% sure. And what's that in the back? I have to say I don't really know. But this one is pretty nice. And then we have this one, the Lamborghini Huracan Liberty Walk in Mad Mike deco. Yeah, came also in the blister. And as I don't have any more display space anyways, I leave these in the blister. As always, I'm picking a favorite on the end of the unboxings, and this time I definitely have to say it's the Z8. This is a fantastic mini GT model, really, really nice. And that's all there is to say. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.